From giant cheese blocks to perfectly filled dough, this is how thousands of crispy cheese samosas are made in a massive factory. Deep fried to golden perfection and packed fresh. Watch how cheese samosas become irresistibly crispy and ready for millions. The journey of crispy cheese samosas begins at dairy farms producing fresh milk for giant cheese blocks. High-quality milk arrives to create giant cheese blocks for cheese samosas. Giant cheese blocks are formed for mass production of crispy cheese samosas. Cheese blocks are aged to develop rich flavor for cheese samosas. Premium flour and spices are prepared for the outer shell of crispy cheese samosas. Massive cheese blocks are ready to become the filling for crispy cheese samosas. Giant cheese blocks are shredded for the perfect filling of crispy cheese samosas. Shredded cheese is seasoned to create flavorful filling for cheese samosas. Fresh dough is prepared for wrapping the cheese filling in crispy cheese samosas. Dough sheets are rolled thin for crispy cheese samosas. Generous cheese filling is added to make delicious crispy cheese samosas. Each piece is carefully folded into the classic crispy cheese samosa shape. Hundreds of raw cheese samosas are prepared for frying. Cheese samosas are deep fried to achieve crispy perfection. The cheese samosas develop their signature crispy golden crust. Freshly fried crispy cheese samosas emerge from the oil. Crispy cheese samosas are sorted by quality and size. Only the best crispy cheese samosas move forward. Packs of crispy cheese samosas are flushed with nitrogen. Packs of crispy cheese samosas are boxed for distribution. Cartons of crispy cheese samosas are palletized for shipping. Premium branding is applied to boxes of crispy cheese samosas. Crispy cheese samosas are loaded for distribution. Fresh crispy cheese samosas leave the factory for stores. Orders of crispy cheese samosas are prepared for customers. Crispy cheese samosas reach supermarket shelves. People enjoy these crispy cheese samosas as a favorite snack.
So crispy and cheesy.
Best samosas in town. Yeah, totally addictive. The factory continues innovating new varieties of crispy cheese samosas. Let's test the new herb and chili flavor.
The texture is perfect, very crispy.
I'm excited to see how that tastes.